Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own delicious caramel sauce from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Having everything measured and ready before you start is key to a smooth process. Also, make sure your heavy cream and butter are at room temperature or slightly warm. Now let's start cooking the sugar. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Place the pan over medium-high heat. It's crucial not to stir the mixture with a spoon, as this can cause crystallization. Instead, gently swirl the pan occasionally to ensure even cooking. You'll see the sugar dissolve, then bubble, and finally transform into a beautiful, deep amber color. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once your sugar reaches that perfect deep amber color, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Now, very carefully and slowly pour in your 1/2 cup of warm, heavy cream. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble up vigorously. Whisk continuously until the cream is fully incorporated and the sauce is smooth. Next, add your 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, stirring until it's completely melted. Finish by stirring in 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. After incorporating all the ingredients, let your caramel sauce cool in the saucepan for about 10 minutes. It will be quite thin at first, but don't worry. It will thicken significantly as it cools. Once it has cooled slightly, pour it into a clean, airtight jar or container. You can store this delicious homemade caramel sauce in your refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. If it becomes too firm, simply warm it gently in the microwave or a small saucepan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.